Hand editing podcast clips is a massive time sink that drains your creativity. You spend hours hunting for good bits, slicing them up, adding captions, and resizing for every platform. By the time you are finished, you honestly have no idea which clips will actually perform well. But imagine if you could go from raw recording to fully edited, ready to post clips in under 60 seconds. And what if that same system automatically told you exactly which clips had the highest chance of going viral? That is the core of what this AI tool offers, and it completely transformed how I handle my long-form content workflow. The old way of doing things is basically gambling with your precious time. You pick moments you think are good, spend all weekend editing, and then post only to watch the video flop at 200 views. With this system, you just hit one button and the AI combs through your video to find the best highlights instantly. It handles the tedious work of auto-editing, captioning, formatting, and ranking everything by viral potential. You end up with a stack of publish-ready clips that you can prioritize based on actual data rather than just a gut feeling. Now, before we dive into the technical details, remember that your clips are only as good as the source footage. If you record over choppy internet connections, the software has a hard time cleaning up the audio later. Using local high-resolution recording tools is the best way to feed high-quality files into your editing AI. Even with standard camera footage, the AI does an impressive job cleaning audio and tightening up the pacing for you. The flow is simple. You upload your raw file or connect it directly to where your video lives. The system watches the entire session and generates short, impactful clips ranging from 30 to 90 seconds. Each clip comes with a viral score, which is a massive shortcut for knowing what to prioritize. Anything scoring in the mid-80s has high potential, while the 90-plus clips should always go to the top of your queue. This scoring model analyzes things like pacing, emotional spikes, conversation hooks, and visual composition. The system typically outputs about 2 short clips for every 5 minutes of raw footage. This means a 30-minute episode can easily generate a dozen clips without you ever opening a traditional editing timeline. One of my favorite features is the ability to tweak edits using simple, natural language commands. If you want to remove a pause or a stutter, you literally just type the instruction to remove it. You can tell the AI to make a clip more energetic, and it will immediately tighten the pacing and bump up the audio dynamics. Need the clip vertical for social media? You just type that request, and it automatically reframes and repositions everything. Branding is handled effortlessly by setting up your kit just once with your preferred fonts, colors, and logos. All of your auto-generated clips will automatically inherit that custom look and feel. Generating thumbnails is just as easy, with multiple options proposed by the AI in a single click. The software doesn't stop at short clips, as it also creates mid-form segments perfect for longer-form platforms. It even handles full-length auto edits that remove filler words and balance audio levels across the whole episode. Another huge win for productivity is the integrated content calendar that helps you schedule posts. You can set up an auto schedule to stagger your uploads across multiple platforms without manually posting each one. Working with a team is also simple because you can share preview links that update instantly when you make edits. If you still need to bring a project into professional editing software, you can export a timeline with markers. The exports are incredibly flexible, supporting everything from high-resolution files to specialized audio formats for podcast feeds. While other tools might focus on just one part of the process, this is a true all-in-one dashboard. It is designed specifically for creators who need to scale their short-form content output without hiring a full-time editor. I have personally tested clips that the AI scored highly, and they consistently outperform random cuts I used to pick manually. My real-world workflow now takes me from an hour of raw recording to a full week of social content in under 15 minutes. You don't have to worry about sounding like a robot because the AI preserves the original voice and personality of the speaker. Because you can create so many variations, you have the freedom to experiment with different hooks and styles. Try it out with just one episode, and I promise you will see a massive difference in your workflow immediately. Stop burning your weekends on editing and start using AI to handle the heavy lifting while you focus on creating.